It's Davita with YesTantra.com, and I just want to share with you about the birds and the bees today. Now, this is a little bit different, but this is just an awareness that I had as I dove in deeper into my tantric practices, and I just started having these profound shifts within myself. Now, my first tantric lover I'd had years before that I had my first soulgasm with. After that relationship ended, I decided just to take some time for myself and look at like my patterns in my dating. Why was I attracted to the same type of people? And just work on my own like healing through my journey with Tantra. I didn't go to study Tantra deeply or get my certification as a way to win that old lover back. However, once he started seeing these shifts in me, and I was even living in a different city, and when he saw the changes in me, then all of a sudden his interest returned and it grew again. And it made me realize that, the flower doesn't chase the bee. The flower just blossoms, and then the essence of that attracts the bee, and the bee will come. And that's what we have to remind ourselves of. It's like we don't have to chase other people.